So the people that you can see on screen right now, how are these people earning this much just from posting videos on TikTok? We know that these results are not from sponsors, UGC, paid campaigns, going live, TikTok shop. We know they're just from posting videos on TikTok. But again, how? As you will have seen by the title of this video, this is of course through the TikTok creativity program beta. Literally, people are earning thousands just from posting videos that they would post anyway. So let's delve into this. Let's talk about how exactly creativity program beta works. I'm also going to be discussing on this video what the differences are between the TikTok creativity program and the creator fund as well. I've actually got 5 key differences that I'm going to list throughout the video, so do watch up until the end to make sure that you get that and get all the information, understand and make informed decisions. Also do drop a like if you find the information in this video valuable, and if you have got any more questions about the TikTok creativity program beta or any other TikTok related questions, let me know in the comments and I will answer as many as I can within 24 hours of this video dropping. So let's jump straight into it. So firstly, I'm going to tell you exactly what the TikTok creativity program beta is for those of you that don't know. In fact, I'm going to read it out exactly from TikTok themselves. The TikTok creativity program beta is a new monetization program for creators on TikTok. It's designed to reward creators for creating high quality original content that engages viewers. The program is currently in beta testing in the USA, France and Brazil. And in order to be eligible, you must meet the following requirements. So you must be at least 18 years old, you must have at least 10,000 followers, you must have a minimum of 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days before applying, you must have a personal account in good standing, so not a business, a personal account, you must also abide by TikTok's community guidelines, and of course be located in the US, France or Brazil. So once creators are deemed as eligible, you can apply to the program through the TikTok app, and if you are accepted, you will be able to start earning rewards for your videos. Rewards are calculated based on a number of factors. This includes the number of views, likes, shares a video receives. Creators will also earn more rewards for videos that are longer than 1 minute that are original content. Now, the amount of money that creators can earn from the creativity program beta varies depending on a number of factors. These factors include performance of their video and the overall demand for advertising on TikTok. However, some creators have reported earning up to $200 or $300 per day. That should give you an idea of what the TikTok creativity program beta is, but more importantly, what are the differences between this and the creator fund, which has been of course out on TikTok for years now? What are the key differences? Which one should you apply for? Should you stay on the TikTok creator fund, or is it better to switch over if you are eligible to the TikTok creativity program beta? By the way, you cannot be on both. Once you opt to go into the creator beta, you cannot be in the creator fund as well, and you cannot go back. Even if you opt out of the creativity beta, you still won't be able to go back into the creator on your current account. Of course, it's a different story with a different account, but I digress. So here are my 5 key differences. So the first difference is CPM visibility. Now, first of all, within the creator fund, we had no visibility of what the cost per miller is. So what you get paid per 1,000 views, that was hidden behind a huge wall put up by TikTok, and we basically take what you get. That's it. Whereas with the TikTok creativity program beta, you have a dashboard where you can actually view a breakdown of your payments. There are still some gray areas. There are still some questions that you will have in terms of how TikTok came to the figure that they're paying out to. But for the most part, you do have a dashboard view where you can see what your cost is, similar to YouTube. So you can see how much you get paid per 1,000 views. This is likely determined by niche. So for example, advert friendly niches are likely to have higher CPMs as opposed to random content that hasn't got a specific audience as such. I've seen CPMs range anywhere from about 20 cents per 1,000 views all the way up to more than $2 per 1,000 views, which is pretty good for TikTok, considering that you're most likely not putting in as much effort as you would YouTube videos, shorter videos on TikTok as well. Now, difference number 4 is location eligibility. I did touch on that a little bit earlier on, but just to kind of loop back into that. So to be eligible, you need to be based in the United States of America, France or Brazil currently. TikTok have said that they plan to roll out more countries, but nothing has happened, and it's now close to a year since the creativity program beta has come out. It's still currently, to my knowledge, in France, USA and Brazil. Let me know if you've seen different, or if you've seen people that are outside USA, France and Brazil that are legitimately in the creativity program beta without using weird or VPNs or anything like that. I would be interested to know. Also, on the subject of VPNs don't work. essentially. TikTok take further checks, more checks than you just being based in these countries. They will check your passport, they will check your citizenship, and make sure that you really are someone from that particular country. So just because your device is saying I'm based in the USA based on the VPN, that's not enough for you to be eligible. So not really worth trying that out. The third difference is what's called qualified views. So within the creativity program beta, you get paid on qualified views. And what this essentially means is if, for example, your video has gotten 100,000 views, you may end up getting paid for, and this is an extreme example, but you could end up getting paid for like 3,000 or 4,000 qualified views out of that. Now, the definition of qualified views is videos that are over a minute long, because they need to be that long to qualify for the creativity program beta. I believe it's 60 seconds. And B, the video needs to have been watched for at least 5 seconds. And C, the same person cannot re-watch that video on the same IP address or on the same device. So if I'm your mate and you're trying to earn some money, you've released a video, I cannot re-watching that same video because there's no point. It's all not going to count. 1 unique view counts per person. So they're literally making sure that all your views are coming from different people. So you may find that out of those 100k views, some of them may have been like auto replays by the TikTok app serving the video to people. You may find that some of them may have been like repeat views from the same people. You may find that some of them may have been artificially inflated by desperate people trying to buy views in order to earn more. So what they're doing is they're filtering out all those non-qualifying views and paying you out for what's classed as qualifying views. Now, the fourth difference is it needs to be original content, whereas again, on the creator fund, I don't think TikTok really cares. They'll just pay you out. It's only a little bit of money, but they'll pay you out on whatever, as long as it gets engagement and it doesn't break community guidelines. Whereas with the creativity program beta, it needs to be deemed as what's called original content, meaning it needs to be your own. You need to own the rights to it. You can't edit clips from films or anime and stuff like that, or sports. Controversially, there are some people that have been paid that are using edits. So obviously TikTok aren't perfect. They are overlooking some of those, or they may be missing some of them, and this could be the very reason why they haven't rolled out to other countries yet. They're trying to make creativity program beta better in terms of tracking and finding these. They might just be streamlining their methods for detecting if anyone is not abiding by their rules, and a bunch of other things. Hence why they're calling it beta, because they're telling people this is not the full thing, this is not the complete program. We're still working on it, and when we're ready, we're going to roll it out to other people. Now, the fifth and final difference is video length. I've already touched on this, but for the creativity program beta, it's only 1 minute and over videos that you get paid out for. And again, this needs to have been watched for over 5 seconds at least by a unique viewer. Rewatches from the same person or IP will not be counted. Whereas again, with the creator fund, you get paid regardless. Even if a video is like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, yes, you will get paid next to nothing, if not nothing, but you still get paid regardless. So essentially, my sense is what TikTok are doing is they're trying to stop their app being a wild west of people that just go in and just post whatever, regardless of whether they've got rights or not, and still get paid for it. They're trying to phase out shorter videos so they can focus on more original, high quality content that is advertiser friendly, so they can then earn more advertising revenue. But that's enough for me. I'm interested in what you have to say. What are your questions regarding the TikTok creativity program beta? Did you find this video useful? Are you in the creativity program beta currently, or are you waiting for it to be rolled out where you currently reside? Have you seen any results from people that you know in terms of the creativity program beta? If it was out in your country, would you apply to it, or would you stick to the TikTok creator fund? Because there's an equal amount of people that are unhappy being in the creativity beta, believe it or not, as opposed to the number of people that are happy for a number of reasons. I'd really be interested to hear what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, and for now, I will see you in the next video.